Hello, boss. The volume of this baby stroller carton is 582340 for cm. Gross weight 8.7 kilograms, net weight 7.6 kilograms, single box packaging, 40 HQ, 1150 units, 4 colors can be customized, 20-foot small cabinet, 510 units, 2 colors can be customized, folding volume 50-5735 cm. Gravity folding, 1 touch folding without bending over. 2. Aluminum alloy material covered with nylon plastic. 3. Mechanical backrest adjustment, can sit or lie down. 4. Hand-sewn PU grips. 5. Front wheel, 6.5-inch PU wheel. Shock absorption, quick release function. 6. Rear wheel, 8-inch PU wheel, shock absorption, quick release function. 7. 5-point safety belt. Applicable age 0-36 months. 8. Fabric, 300D encrypted matte cloth.